Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy wave. To do waved hair, we're going to start with our heat relief. We're going to spray that in, 4 or 5 sprays for either side, really focusing that on the ends. Give that a bit of a comb. And then to make things easier, we're going to section that off. So pull out about 1/4 to 1/2 of the hair you have on your head and pin that out of the way. So we're going to start with our section here. And bending things that way and the opposite way as we continue to move down the hair strand. And we'll just repeat that movement throughout. One thing that we need to remember about curly hair is that nothing is ever perfectly the same. So it's okay if this wave looks a bit different than the wave behind it. We could do it closer or farther apart depending on the length of your hair or how you want to style that to be a really tight, dramatic wave or something a little bit more loose and gentle. Down our next section. You don't have to go right up to the root if you want to. You can if you want to get some extra volume in there. And we still want to do keep that flat iron moving as we go along the hair shaft so we don't burn anything. Awesome. So we're just going to continue that onto the other side. Switching that flat iron back and forth as we move down the hair strand. Again, the bigger the section you're going to take, the looser the wave. If you want that a bit tighter, then you could do a smaller section. touching up any of those last little pieces that you want to see more waved. And then to get a bit of extra texture, we're going to use the Texture Tonic spray, which you can also just spray into wet hair and scrunch that in for like a nice beachy wave. This is going to give my fine hair some extra texture. Just scrunch that through. And then we always have the option too of finishing with a pump of the Nutriplenish oil, just to help with some of those little flyaways and give that hair a bit of extra shine. There we are. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box below for all the products.